everyone, and welcome back to Goodness in the Everyday. You might recognize me from the last episode or episodes previously. But today I'm going to show you how to make farci tomatoes or tomate farci. They're basically stuffed and roasted tomatoes, which is perfect for the spring weather. So all you'll need is about half a kilo of fatty pork or beef mince, up to you. I've chosen pork mince today. I've got a mixture of dried herbs. It's really up to you what you would like to place into the meat mix, but a lot of people like herbe de Provence, or I've got a mixture here of chili flakes, chives, basil, parsley, and a bit of tarragon. That's it. Then I've got a good amount of chopped garlic. I'm using 6 cloves here. In my books, the more garlic the better. 1 egg, 3 slices of plain white bread soaked in milk, 1 onion nicely fried in butter. You need to burn the outsides of the onion so that it gets nice and caramelized, and those burny bits will give lots of flavor to the mix. And my beautiful big tomatoes, large enough to stuff. So we're going to make our meat mix, stuff our tomatoes, and then it goes into the oven. So, first things first, let's work on the farce, the force meat. I'm going to add my onions, my garlic, my herb mix, and finally my 1 egg first, 1 egg, can't forget the egg. And the bread soaked in the milk, I need to squeeze out all the kind of leftover milk that didn't get soaked into the bread. And you know what? I'm going to use my hands to mix. Season your farce with salt and pepper. Lots of pepper. Voila. Now I'm going to tend to my tomatoes. So all you need to do is cut off with their heads, cut off their heads. Oh, that really wasn't a good job, but anyway, make sure they have little hats on. And then we need to make a hole for the stuffing. So I'm just going to start with my knife, and then I'm going to move to a spoon. See how well this comes out. There you go. And I'm just going to tip the juice into my pan because I'm going to roast veggies at the same time. And then we're going to stuff yay in there. Get lots in, and then put his hat back on, and into a little baking tray. I've put vegetables, seasonal vegetables like courgette, carrots and potatoes, along with lots of garlic in my pan because I like to fill up the pan to give it lots more flavour. And then just do that to the rest of your tomatoes. handed. Drizzle with some olive oil. Season your vegetables if you've got some in the base. And that goes into the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook some rice. And there we have it. Tomates farcies. Done my own particular way with spring vegetables. You want to serve this with some nicely cooked basmati or long grain rice. As you can see, I've made little hamburger rissoles out of the excess meat and just fried it in a frying pan before adding it into the oven. For the full recipe, you can get it at ponytailjournal.com. Please subscribe to this channel for more of this goodness, and thank you for watching. Until next time, happy eating!